Today, smoking is gonna save lives. Does anyone smell anything smoky?
Did you bring your jerky in again?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Fire! Oh, fire! Oh my goodness! Air duct.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down! What does warm mean?
Oh my gosh, try to hit the door.
Out of option. Another option. Jeez. Okay. Oh, please. Have you ever seen a burn victim? Okay. Procedure. Exit options. Where do we go, folks? Use a what to cover the mouth? Remember your exit points. Exit points, people. What's next? Huh?
Stay alive! I'm getting help!